Hi, Chelsea. Congratulations again.
Thank
You don't
you,
know how
Adam.
many Filipinos you made so many Filipinos happy with your accomplishment last night. Congratulations again. That was totally unexpected. You winning Miss Continental Queen of Asia here in Miss Universe pageant. How do you feel?
Sobrang saya ko. It wasn't expected kasi we were all waiting for the announcement kung sino yung tatawagin nilang Miss Continental. And to find out after the whole awarding at the backstage, they told us kasi na you are one of our chosen as Miss Continental. So ako naman, nagulat ako. So I think that was an opportunity for me to, alam mo yun, redeem myself a little
Oo.
bit. I became happy, I became more livelier, and I think wala ko ibang naisip kundi, you know, how happy and proud I am to be Filipina.
Sa tingin mo, ano yung nakita nila sa'yo? Bakit nila binesto yung special award na yun sa'yo?
I think I just had to do everything that I could, the hard work of not just me as Chelsea, pero yung Filipino trait ko, being humble, being powerful, being around your sisters, being supportive is enough. And at the same time, your advocacy, kung ano yung very passionate ka, I think nakita naman nila yung work na ginagawa ko in the Philippines and what my intentions are. So, yeah.
Ako naman, ramdam ko talaga, di na ako rin nagulat. Although a lot of people were totally shocked about it kasi feeling ko,
Yeah.
bet ka nila sa organization. Natanda mo yung na-meet mo si Kunan for the very first time in the Loha Hotel lobby. I thought you guys had connection there. You
Yeah.
guys had chemistry. I think she genuinely loves you.
Well, I think the organization naman are all welcoming. They all love the girls. They gave us an opportunity to really showcase our personality, our character. So isa yun sa mga nakita nila siguro sa akin. And throughout the whole week, 2 weeks of being in here, it wasn't just, you know, meeting with the organization, but with the girls, yung staff. Then you have to be kind. You have to be really humble. You have to show your best personality all the time kasi these are the people that you're gonna be working with.
Actually, in fact, yung mga fellow co-candidates mo rin, gustong-gusto ka rin. May nasagap ako nung kalagitnaan ng
Ah,
competition.
talaga?
Some would
Sino?
email us, si Miss Croatia?
Croatia.
Gustong-gusto
Oh,
ka daw
yes.
niya talaga. She would even take photos of you. Ganyan, katulad nito, bare face without makeup. So, nakakatuwa talaga. So, hindi na kami nagugulat talaga. And most especially, si Miss Peru, your roommate.
I love
You
that.
know what makes the whole thing so special about last night? And it's you traveling with her again. Parang extension uli
Oh my
ng
God,
bonding nyo.
she's also Miss Continental for the Americas. So it means that we're gonna be working all together. All of us queens will be traveling. We'll be.
Hoy, iiwanan kita doon, ha?
Mabilis lang ako. Mabilis lang ako.
Pati okay lang. Maghihintay siya doon sa paron niya. Ibaba.
Thank you. And God has perfect listening.
I know. I don't think it's
Yes, I wish. Bye. I'm here sincerely, whatever.
I'll see you. Thank you so much. You look fabulous up there.
Thank you, Celine.
Photo? Okay, photo.
No, video.
Oh, video. Okay. Are you going home to Dominica?
Yes, no, tomorrow.
When? Tomorrow? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, you did it easy, baby.
Where are you, Trevor, Filipina? Today?
No, I'm going to LA first, then I'll go to Philippines.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you
My
so
team
much.
is all in LA.
Oh, nice.
When you want to go to the Philippines, you let me know. We'll be happy to take
Thank
you.
you
Okay?
so
Because
much. Thank
all of
you.
the other girls wants to go. I think
Oh,
Peru is
nice.
going, Cuba's going.
Oh,
They want to go to the
fantastic.
beach.
Okay.
You want to go to the beach? Then let me
Yes,
know.
I love that fish.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Selena.
man.
It was
Thank
a
you,
wonderful
man.
experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take care. Message kayo, Misha. See you.
Wow naman, close kayo ni DR. Hindi ko ma-imagine. Thank you.
Welcome to my crib.
Ay, ito yung room niyo ni
Oh
Peru.
my gosh, yes.
Oh my
Kaso wala na siya. Ay, nako. Make yourself feel at home. Tapos ano ka
Oo.
na ulit.
Sige. Bilisan na lang, ano. Yan, siyang.
Wag din pangit yung ano, patingin nga ng view. Pwede naman na yan.
Oo.
Ganyan talaga, wala kang magagawa.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe na I'm talking to you right now. First of all, congratulations again for winning the special Continental Queen of Asia Award here in Miss Universe pageant. Grabe, hindi ko talaga inasahan yon.
Thank you. Thank you sa lahat. I am so grateful for this opportunity. It's a once in a lifetime and we are already making a history winning Miss Universe Asia and winning Miss Universe from the Philippines.
Inasahan mo ba yun?
Honestly, hindi ko na siya mindset kasi I came into the pageant. Siyempre, isa yung goal natin lahat. We all wanted to win Miss Universe, right? Pero sabi ko kasi it's always one step at a time. So, given that opportunity to have Miss Universe Asia, then now I couldn't be more thankful.
Oo, grabe. Ako sa totoo lang, nung tinawag kayo ng pangalan mo, nagulat ako na sabi ko, oh, Philippines talaga ba? Pero sabi ko, wow. What do you think the judges or the organization saw in you? That's why they gave you this special award.
You know, the organization is really looking for a woman that they can really work well with. Siguro it's the personality that I just don't have, but the personality of every Filipinos. And I think every Filipinos, that means that we are so humble, we are so kind, we are so powerful, we believe in what we can do. So that's what I did. I showed them what we are, I showed them my personality. And again, with the projects that is really close to my heart that I am working in the Philippines, that I think I can bring to Miss Universe Asia. So, siguro yun din yung nakita nila na trait sa akin.
Ako, sinabi ko nga, nagulat ako. Pero nung tinatawag ka na, hindi na rin talaga ako gulat na gulat. Kasi ito, the-vlog ako the whole 3 weeks I was here. Naramdaman ko, naramdaman ko gusto ka ng organization. Fave ka nila. I've been hearing a lot of great feedback about you. Hindi ko lang sinasabi sa followers ko. Kasi nakot ako baka kasi hearsay lahat eh.
Yes.
Lahat hearsay. Pero may nagsabi talaga sa akin na your fellow candidates and even the staff of the organization really like you so much. Yeah, sobra. So, in fact, naramdaman ko yon nung nag-meet mo si Kun An for the very first time. Doon sa lobby, lahat kayo, nung
Yes,
second day, when you were wearing that white
That was
outfit with a high pony.
It was the first time I met her and, of course, Sir Raul.
Yeah. I thought you had a chemistry or connection with Kun An there.
We had a little bit of a conversation when we were there, when I met her. She told me that she loves the Philippines, that she loves the moment when Shanice went to the Philippines. It was really magical. And she was saying that, this is the new era. So she was excited for the whole girls. She's expecting a lot for this batch. So, yeah.
Yeah. And sobrang ko, isa dun sa nag-struck na sinabi niya sa'yo, ewan ko natandaan mo, sabi niya, you are humble. I like your humility.
That's
Parang
who we are.
ganon. Tapos nung pinost niya yung sa Facebook page niya, I'm looking for a humble queen who will really promote to be the global icon ambassador. So, Chelsea kaya to. So, ramdam ko talaga gusto ka nila. So, when you finally won that award. So, now that the pageant is over and now you have that special award, looking back ba, would you have done things differently, if any?
I don't think I would done anything differently kasi pumunta naman ako dito knowing that I am prepared and sinabi naman sa akin ng mga past queens to just enjoy your time. So I did. I enjoyed my time. I spent time with the girls. I enjoyed the time when I'm out in the activities. So yun yung ginawa ko. I did the best that I can, not just in the closer interview, preliminaries, and finals. So whatever it is that this blessing, this opportunity that came my way, I know there's a reason for it. So there's nothing else I would have done anything. Talaga, I want it to be as how it is because this is a memory to live by and we are already making that history.
Nice. Yan ang gusto ko talagang pinandidigan mo talaga lahat.
Yes.
Yan talagang no regrets in the end. So, how do you see this special award in relation to your future goals?
Sobrang laki na itong opportunity kasi sabi nila ito na yung unang beses pa lang nila na naglabas sila ng Miss Continental Queens. So this is already in the making that we are being known in the Philippines, that what we can offer to the whole Asia and to the whole universe kung ano yung pwede nating ipakita sa kanila, the projects, our tourism, our personality, our culture. So this is already an opening to what we can offer and what we can do more. And I hope that this isn't just the end of it. You know, maraming mga beauty queens din na who can look up to me right now that, you know, if you have a dream also, then this is already your chance to make it. Just continue to strive and dream so hard that, you know, maybe whoever will be the next magre-represent ng Miss Universe Philippines, it won't just be Miss Continental anymore. Maybe we can get that crown next time, no?
Yeah, oo. And sure marami kang maipapayo. You know, maipapayo sa mga magiging successor mo. And you know what's good thing about this whole Continental Queen selection is that you'll get more time and more time spent with your roommate, with your beloved roommate, Tati.
Yes.
Pero Fins,
She's not here
grabe.
anymore. She just left. She has an early flight. Pero
Oo.
I talked to her. Sabi ko, there's always a reason na magkasama kami alphabetically in our group. Even with our chaperones, may group kasi sila and we're together. So magta-travel kami together for Dia! She's my chaperone. Dia, I'm going now. My luggages are all ready and packed.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hola, senor.
How are you?
Hola. Say hello.
Hello.
This is Dia, my chaperone.
Okay, last few questions.
Yeah. Sige. Okay.
You know, so you traveling together, wow. Diba? Are you excited?
I'm excited to travel with my ate, Peru, Tati, because I know that we're not just going to be traveling around, but we're going to be doing so much work with Miss Universe.
Yeah. And in fact, she's coming to visit our
Yes,
country.
she's coming to visit the Philippines with her boyfriend. They
Uh-huh.
want to go to the beach. And I'm hoping, sana, I can also go to Peru, but I already tell her that I will. So I will be seeing Tati very soon in the Philippines.
What was the most valuable thing you've learned about yourself in competing here in this pageant?
That one of the most valuable things is that I'm never afraid of anything. Ito yung mga natutunan ko while competing here. And it has always been my personality naman, that, you know, as a Filipina, you don't get afraid of anything, the challenges. Rather, it makes you more powerful. Kaya alam kong nilaban ko, we became more powerful that night. Now look at us, we're making all history in the Philippines.
Feeling ko, alam mo, bebe, maraming opportunities that will open your way. What are your plans after Miss Universe pageant? Showbiz?
My plans is to just spend my time with my family and umuwi na ng Pilipinas para mag-celebrate tayong lahat.
Yay! So last question, can you give a message to all your fans and supporters who can't wait to have you back soon in Manila? Talaga nag-antabay talaga, sinundan nila ang journey mo from day one.
Maraming salamat sa suportang ibinigay niyo sa akin, sa tiwalang ibinigay niyo sa akin. Dahil dyan, sa pagmamahal na ibinigay niyo, it really did continue until the finals na inilaban ko. And now we are all making history. We are still winners. Nagwagi pa din ang Pilipinas. Hanggang sa dulo, sana suportahan niyo ako at iba pang mga queens sa kanilang mga endeavors, sa kanilang mga gagawin in the future. That, you know, we are all coming all together as not just an empowerment of women, but we are all coming as united and we all will be empowered definitely. Kaya maraming salamat. I cannot wait na makita ko kayo lahat.
Thank you, Chelsea. Thank you for representing our country with so much pride and dignity.
Salamat.
Sobra. Talagang napaka-humble at napakabait mong bata.
Salamat.
I hope more career opportunities will come your way. You really deserve all the blessings that you are getting. Shocks. Traveling lang naman all over the world with your entire Miss Universe family. How cool can that be? How can anything be cooler than that?
Laban, Philippines! Maraming salamat!
Bye! Safe travels home. Video. Will you miss her?
Te amo mucho, Diana. Thank you for being the best chaperone. The Philippines love you and you're welcome anytime you want to go. Okay? You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. Best chaperone. She takes good care.
Muy bien, kandidata.
Perfect.
Kaya naman pala Continental. Queen.
Thank you, Dia.
Besos from Pilipinas.
Oh, she takes good care of us.
She doesn't speak too much English, but she's trying. She's trying, and she teach me Spanish too.
Oh.
She teaches me compromiso, escalar, escaleras, provecho, good night is nos vemos.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, nos vemos. Nos vemos.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Yeah. Sí.
Okay.
I love you.
I love
Okay.
you so much.
Where are you going now?
Yeah.
You're just staying here?
Yes.
Okay. Are there other candidates here? Or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Wow.
You a first candidate in floor 19?
Oh, okay.
Right.
And then the 20 and 21, 22
Yeah.
are all going?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, there's so much candidates left. you guys are still here as chaperone until tomorrow. Oh my gosh.
Chelsea,